Ichido ni. The grammar of Ichido ni is mean all at once, all at once. In Japanese, they will use Ichido and end by some plus. Ichido and end by some plus. That what is the plus error you can use? So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of Ichido ni, let's go to see some example together. The first example, 彼は一度にクッキーを3つ取った。彼は一度にクッキーを3つ取った。Which means he took 3 cookies at once. He took 3 cookies at once. Ichido is mean once. One time, but you take 3. But he took 3 cookies. 一度に3冊の本を借りることができます。一度に3冊の本を借りることができます。Which means you can borrow 3 books at a time. You can borrow 3 books at a time. That means once you can borrow 3 books at once, one time, right? The next, 一度に全部はできないよ。一度に全部はできないよ。Which means you can't do everything at once. You can't do everything at once. That means you have to do everything step by step. You cannot do everything just at one time. Impossible. So in Japanese they say 一度に全部はできないよ。Next, 彼は一度に6個の箱を運んだ。彼は一度に6個の箱を運んだ。Which means he carried 6 boxes at once. He carried 6 boxes at once. That means ichido is mean once time or once, and you can do many things at once like this.